Okay, you're going to take your 2 Italian sausage links, and the sausage links has this casing on the outside that you have to peel off. So you're just going to have the ground meat on the inside. So you have to peel off this casing on the outside and discard that.
Disgusting.
Here's one. Now you're going to cook the Italian sausage that we've taken out of the casing. Once the sausage is done and cooked through, just like pork sausage, then you're going to take it off the heat and dump it on a paper towel covered plate to drain the grease off. We are ready to make our calzones now. We've done all the prep work. We've got the dough ready to roll out, and we've got the sausage all cooked and ready to go. So we're just going to start rolling out our dough. If you made the dough that I listed in the recipe, then you need to split it in half.
I always spank my dough.
I'm not going to respond to that, Kevin.
Wow, that used to be an inside joke. Now you're just rude.
You're going to roll it into about a 10-inch circle. They're a little bigger. This dough is kind of thick.
Thick fella.
Okay, now we're going to layer it, but you're only going to spread your ingredients on about on about half of the dough.
On about a half of inch of the dough, no.
Quite good. We're starting with the, I'm trying to remember, cheese. The recipe calls for
a delightful
ricotta.
Amount of disgusting chunkiness.
It calls for ricotta, but I'm substituting Kevin's favorite cheese.
No.
Cottage. You're going to leave about an inch along the edge so that we can seal it. Ricotta, then pesto. Now, I had to make my own pesto today. I wish you guys could smell this. It's wonderful.
No.
Kevin says no, but they have this at the store, but they did not have it at Walmart. So I had to make my own. Pesto, then pizza sauce. Four tablespoons of pizza sauce. And then what's next? Making sure we get it all in order. Pizza sauce, then the onions and peppers that we sauteed earlier. And we're going to use, you can just use however many you want to use. You're going to make 2 calzones. Now I'm only going to do 1 on the demo, so. right. Now, the recipe says Italian sausage, but here's where you can get creative. You can put Italian sausage, you can put pork sausage. I am going to put a little bit of pepperoni in here too. I cut the pepperoni into quarter slices. So I'm going to put some pepperoni too. Or you could even do just cheese and mix up the cheeses and do all different kinds of cheese. When I do the next one, I'm going to cut it in half and do 2 smaller ones. And I'm going to do just a plain cheese one for Kevin and do another mixed one for Elizabeth. Greg and I are going to share this one. And then you're going to add cheese.
Good cheese this time.
The good cheese. The mozzarella. My Italian cheese mix. Parmesan on top of it. Then you're going to take a little bit of water and put water along the edge that you've left so that you can seal the dough easily, so that all of your good cheese won't leak out. And then you're going to flip this bad boy over like this. And I like to curl mine up a little bit like this.
Hit my head on the cabinet. I'm a smart fellow. Pinch it together really good. All the way down, and make sure you seal the ends really good. And it's apart. And then the recipe says to whisk up an egg and brush the top, but you guys know my favorite thing to do is melted butter. So I'm going to brush mine with butter and then cut 3 slits in the top of it and bake it up. I sprinkled the top with garlic, salt, and Parmesan cheese and cut slits with a knife.